Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are many ways to make pixel-based selections in an image file. Elements provide you with several tools that you can use to select pixels in an image. You have a set of marquee selection tools. You have a set of lasso tools. You have the selection brush tool, the refine selection brush tool, the quick selection tool, the magic wand tool, and the auto selection tool. There are also a few menu bar commands that you can also select to make pixel-based selections. After making an initial pixel selection, making another pixel selection will typically replace the existing selection. However, you do have some additional selection options that let you add secondary selections to a primary selection, subtract a secondary selection from a primary selection, find the intersection of multiple pixel selections, or find the union of multiple selections. These options will vary based on the specific selection tool you use. After making a selection, you can move the selected area by clicking into the middle of the selection and dragging the selected area to a new location before releasing it. To make selections using the menu bar, you can use the Select Menu command. Before making a selection, ensure you have the appropriate layer of the image chosen within the Layers panel. You can see the Layers chapter if you need help with this. First, click the layer in this panel from which you want to make a pixel selection first. Then you can freely make pixel selections within that layer using the menu bar or one of the toolbox tools. To select all of the pixels in a layer, choose Select All from the menu bar. To deselect a selection, choose Select Deselect from the menu bar. If using one of the marquee tools or the lasso tool, note that you can also simply click into the image outside of the selected area to deselect a selection too. You can reselect the previous selection you made by choosing Select Reselect from the menu bar. If you make a selection in an image and then you want to select everything except what you had initially selected, you can choose Select Inverse from the menu bar to select everything that wasn't selected, excluding the original selection that you made.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.